So this is my new set that I just got yesterday, and it is really nice. I really like how it feels. Really like how it feels. It's durable. I like the leather here. The handle, I have this hooked on here, just testing it out. So it slides under the back zipper pocket, so it's pretty convenient. When you get it, it's gonna come in this big box here, but it's not really heavy. But yeah, it's very nice. I like it. Can't wait to use it for my upcoming trip next week. And yeah, get it if you need it. I ordered the orange color too, so that'll be here today.
A really nice set. It's got the 3 hard cases and a soft small bag. And this is a nice hard case, which is nice. And it's got something kind of unique that I have not seen before. But you can just lock your zippers. If I can do this. I'm trying to look through the phone and do this. But there you got, so you can't open it. And then you can set your code. There's a little button here you can push to reset it. Comes 000 as default. And get your zippers undone. Pops them right out. Pretty slick. Nice set.